Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Who does not love their laundry to smell amazing when it gets done getting out of the dryer? But fabric softeners, while they make your clothes smell amazing, sometimes have really harsh chemicals, especially because I have a 1-year-old and I have a son who has really bad eczema, so his skin is pretty sensitive. This fabric softener by Bleu Lavande is so nice. It is natural ingredients. It's the lavender scent, and so it has lavender essential oils in it, is how it smells good. And let me tell you, it smells really good. I love the smell of lavender. I think it is so just calming, and I can use any whiffs of lavender to help me calm down through the day. One thing I was concerned was, did like my kids want to smell like lavender? And I have to say, this stuff, well, it does have a really nice smell. It's not ever overpowering. So when I pour it into the washing machine, it smells pretty strong, but by the time it goes through the wash and the dryer, there's still a hint of nice smelling lavender, but it's not like a big woof right in your face. It comes in a 3-pack, so I'm almost through the first bottle. I also really like the size of the bottle. So they hold 32 ounces each, which this bottle looks really small and you would think you go through it really fast, but this is super concentrated. So you need a lot less than you normally need a fabric softener. And so it lasts for a long time, but it's a small bottle, so it fits really nicely on the shelf in my laundry room. So if you're wanting your laundry to continue to smell amazing without all of those chemicals and dyes and artificial fragrances, Bleu Living has amazing fabric softeners. They have a whole laundry line, but that is just my point of view.